So I kind of did the thing. It's probably better if I show you. Hang on. Oh! I got one of the Walthers mystery boxes. Hey everybody, my name's Jimmy. I'm drinking some just store brand coffee today, and this is Coffee and Trains.
This video is brought to you with support from Model Train Media. Social media is a great place to find tips, tricks, and community for model railroading. But you have to put up with all that other stuff, the politics, the crazies, and of course the AI slop. Model Train Media is here to solve that problem. It is a social media network just for model railroading. You can create a profile, share photos, start groups, participate in forums, all sorts of stuff, all without the baggage of other platforms. You can even join my group, the DIY and Digital Model Railroad Club. I have a link to Model Train Media and my group in the description below. Check them out at modeltrainmedia.com and become part of the fastest growing internet train community.
If you want to tell me what kind of... This is so... If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and be featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. And by the way, I'm going to have this linked in the description below. There's a couple different tiers that you can get, and if you want to get one and pick it up, you can while their supplies last. They don't do these forever. They kind of do them in little spurts and little sales. So yeah, cheers. Okay, I gotta put this down. So Walthers does these mystery box sales, and what they are is basically there's a bronze, silver, and gold tier, and they have different amounts. We're just going to start going through this thing. Now this thing is actually, some of the stuff that was in there was so big that it's actually 2 boxes. So we're going to pull the first box, which is the smaller box, and we're going to go through it, and then we're going to go through the second box. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Start off with, we're going to start off small. Got some little Walthers Scene Master figures. All right. Let's see here. What do we got here? It looks like we're going to jump straight into some rolling stock. Looks like we have a lot of Walthers main lines. 1, 2, 3, 11. Oh, this is getting heavy for one hand. 12. Okay, so 12 cars. How am I going to... Okay, hold please. Okay, I put the box down for a second so we can look through this. So let's see here. 12 cars. All right, number 1, we got a TTX flat car. Number 2, we got another General American G85 flat car, another TTX one right there. Looks like it has some other stuff on it, but yep. Another TTX flat car. I'm sensing a theme right now. Another TTX flat car. It looks like it's supposed to hold, it looks like it can hold tractor trailers. So I feel like they just like took in, I feel like they had like a shelf full of these and they're like, put them in the box. Another 85-foot flat car. This is a Pullman Standard flat car, TTX 60-footer. Another 85-foot flat car. Oh, wait, we got something different. Here we go. Southern Pacific auto rack. We've got a Great Northern auto rack, Burlington Route auto rack, Pennsylvania auto rack, and another 85-foot hopper cars. I really don't know where I'm going to put this, and I don't know how you HO scalers do this. Oh, this is an old kit. Look at this. This is Lifelike. Look at that Lifelike box. That's cool. Lifelike used to be separate, and they were purchased by Walthers. This still says it's a division of Walthers, so it's the town church. So a little kit I can build. Very nice. I bet I can add that to my layout. I bet it's small enough. Let's see here. I've got a traffic light and more figures. And, oh, look, it is HO and N scale. I've got Chooch Enterprises, and it's like cobblestone. So like you can cut it and put cobblestone. This looks like it's meant to go around curbs. There's some drains and everything, so that's cool. Okay, so now we're gonna go into, that was the little box. Let's go into the big box. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to put this one down too. All right, it looks like they grouped it together in here, and let me grab some stuff. Lot of building kits, like seriously. So the good news is, for all those flat cars and everything, I've got containers. So I've got a CP container, an Antillean line, and a One World Shipping, One Ocean Network Express. And then I've also got, for the flat cars, I can put some of these semi-truck trailers. Look at that. I got 4 of them. So I think I've got the flat cars pretty well stocked. And then, ooh, I got vehicles. I've got a modern fire truck. It's a 2-axle brush fire truck. A UPS, look at that. What can Brown do for you? And then I also have a utility truck. This looks like the one that like installs new telephone and power poles. So, yep, utility truck with grill. I think it has, looks like it has decals you can put on it. So that's cool. So there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buildings in here. We got the bargain depot. So it's a kit, and if you know what that looks like, to me that looks like a Dollar General. We've got a planing mill and shed, so that's cool. Modern long span concrete railroad bridge. How big is that? 20 inches, 21 inches? God. So it's almost 2 feet long. Oh, we got a pre-built city water tower. Who doesn't want a water tower on their layout? Modern police station. I forget how big HO scale buildings are sometimes. And then we got, oh, big house right here. This might be the biggest kit I've ever put my hands on. This is the modern printing plant. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's like twice the size of my head. You know, I may have to start building some of these for videos. If you guys would like that, let me know in the comments below. One more thing, and that is the locomotive. Let's see what I got. It's flipped upside down. What do I got? Oh, it's an Amtrak. It's an F40. Check that out. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and open this and take a look at it. This is something my son loves, passenger trains right now. For those of you that don't know, Walthers mainline is kind of their mid-tier. But that's really nice. Look at that. He's going to love that. He's going to want to run that all the time. Well, now I got to get some passenger cars. Now, I obviously am not going to use all of this, but I think I'm going to save some of it for giveaways for you HO scalers out there and people that are trying to start HO scale. So be on the lookout for that. I may do some year-end giveaways with some of the stuff that came in this box. But yeah. So that was my mystery box. If you want to get one, I'm going to put a link in the description below so that you can go get one from Walthers. Like I said, they have 3 different tiers, and they describe what you get into them. They don't last usually. A lot of times, some tiers sell out really, really fast. And so I would go ahead and check and see if they still have them. They do come back on sale from time to time, but definitely, if you want to get one fast. That was a lot of fun. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.